Are you looking for the best USB-C charger for your MacBook Pro or Air? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best USB-C charger on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anker 713 Nano. This single-port 45W charger is a much better option for MacBook Air owners, as we believe that the Apple-supplied 30W or 35W power adapters are a little underpowered for the laptop's potential maximum needs. It is also tiny in comparison to the Apple-supplied charger, 38% smaller in volume than Apple's non-GaN 30W power adapter, and 20% smaller than the 35W charger, and significantly cheaper while being a safe, trusted brand. Like the other Anker wall chargers, this model features foldable US plug pins. The UK model is as great, although without the neat foldable plug pins. Because the M2/M3/M4 Air can be fast charged using a higher power adapter, the Anker 71565W charger, below, is a better option and only a few bucks more in price and fractions of an inch in size. It's not Apple's prescribed 70W, but we'd expect it to charge faster than at 45W. Or you should consider a multi-port 65W charger, such as the Ugreen Nexode 65W 3-port charger or the Anker Prime 67W GaN wall charger, both of which are super compact and will charge other devices at the same time as you are charging a laptop. See their reviews below. Dimensions: 1.38 by 1.49 by 1.62 inches, 3.5 by 3.8 by 4.1 centimeters. Weight: 2.44 ounces, 69 G. Ports: 1x USB-C, 45W PD. Total power output: 45W. Colors: black. Best for MacBook Air. Number 2. Rolling Square Supertiny. A single-port 65W charger is the most affordable fast charger for MacBook Air owners. It won't overcharge it and it will keep the battery topped up while you are working on your laptop. The Rolling Square Supertiny is well named, much smaller than the Apple-supplied charger, especially with its foldable US plug pins, and still cheaper. Indeed, it's almost as small as Anker's 45W charger. Owners of the older 13-inch MacBook Pro and even entry-level 14-inch Pro should consider this charger as the most affordable, premium compact alternative to Apple's larger, more expensive 67W power adapter. To fast charge a 14 inches MacBook Pro, you'll need a 96W or 100W charger. An alternative is the only very slightly less tiny $35.99 Anker 715 Nano 2. A single-port 65W charger that measures 1.65 by 1.42 by 1.74 inches, 4.2 by 3.6 by 4.4 centimeters. Dimensions: 1.7 by 1.37 by 1.37 inches, 4.4 by 3.5 by 3.5 centimeters. Weight: 2.47 ounces, 70 G. Ports: 1x USB-C, 65W PD 3.0. Total power output: 65W. Colors: gray/black. Best for MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Pro. Number 3. Anker Prime 67W GaN wall charger, 3 ports. It might be bigger and heavier than the 45W or 65W single-port Anker chargers, but this GaN charger offers you much more with its 3 ports. Each of the 2 USB-C ports can supply up to 67W, although obviously not at the same time as 67W is the total possible output. And the USB-A port supports up to 22.5W. It is the smallest multi-port USB-C wall charger, and it weighs just 136G, an indistinguishable difference to the equally compact 130G Ugreen Nexode 65W 3-port USB-C wall charger. Both the US and the UK models feature a foldable plug. The UK model is a little larger due to the Type G 3-pin plug, but it's the smallest and lightest multi-port 67W charger available in the UK. Each port will adapt to your charging requirements. You can charge a laptop at up to 65W using just one of the USB-C ports, or charge the laptop at 45W and another device at 20W via the other USB-C port. Another option is to power a laptop at 40W via USB-C, and an iPhone or Apple Watch at up to 22.5W using the USB-A port. Using all three ports, the first USB-C port can power the laptop at 40W, the second an iPhone at 12W, and the USB-A port could power up your AirPods at 12W. It's a great choice for fast charging a MacBook Air, or just as a multi-port solution for the 13 inches and entry-level 14 inches MacBook Pro. As with the Ugreen Nexode Pro, reviewed below, it will power the top-end 14-inch MacBook Pro, but a 100W charger can fast charge that model. Dimensions: 1.6 by 1.5 by 1.9 inches, 4 by 3.8 by 5 centimeters. Weight: 4.8 ounces, 136G. Ports: 2x USB-C, 67W PD 3.0, and 1x USB-A, 22.5W. Total power output: 67W. Colors: black. Best for MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Pro, 8-core 14-inch MacBook Pro. Number 4. Ugreen Nexode Pro 65W. Ugreen's Nexode Pro 65W USB-C wall charger has 3 ports and is a great choice for a super compact multi-port 65W charger. When choosing 3-port 65W charger, both this and the Anker Prime 67W charger are great solutions. The Anker nips slightly in front by being a little cheaper and a tiny bit more powerful, but it's as close a call as you'll find. The plug pins on the US model fold in neatly to make it very pocketable for a 3-port charger. Note that the pins on the UK version do not fold, so users from that country should consider the older but still great non-Pro Nexode 65W charger, £34.99, that does have foldable UK plug pins, or the Anker Prime 67W charger reviewed below. It really is a tiny wonder. The Anker Prime 67W wall charger is just as compact, and both make fine mid-sized MacBook chargers. The 2 USB-C ports each support 65W, and the lower USB-A port can charge at up to 22.5W. Other same-time charging options include 45W for a laptop and 20W for a second device, or 45W plus 15W shared between the other 2 outputs. And you can fast charge an M2 MacBook Air when using just one of the 65W ports. While it's perfectly suitable for the 14 inches MacBook Pro, a 100W power adapter can fast charge that model using either a USB-C charging cable or Apple's own MagSafe 3 cable. Dimensions: 2.1 by 1.6 by 1.3 inches, 5.5 by 4 by 3.2 centimeters. Weight: 4.1 ounces, 117G. Ports: 2x USB-C, 65W PD 3.0, and 1x USB-A, 22.5W. Total power output: 65W. Colors: gray. Best for MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Pro, 8 or 10-core 14-inch MacBook Pro. Number 5. Ugreen Nexode chargers with retractable cable. Tiny wall chargers are great for portability, but still have to remember to carry a cable around with you. Ugreen has a range of power chargers with built-in retractable USB-C cables that mean it doesn't matter if you are caught without a separate cable, your device will still be charged if you pack one of these in your bag. Due to the integrated cable, these are a little larger and heavier than the chargers reviewed above, but they are a lot more convenient. The 65W model has 2 ports alongside the 65W USB-C cable output, while the 100W model has 3. The first USB-C port on each equals the power output of the cable, but remember that the maximum output is 65W or 100W, using the other ports at the same time will reduce their power somewhat. For example, on the 100W Nexode, if you use the first 2 USB-C ports, the output will be 65W and 30W respectively. Read our full Ugreen Nexode 65W charger with retractable USB-C cable review. Dimensions, 65W 2.1 by 2 by 2 inches, 5.3 by 5.1 by 5 centimeters. Dimensions, 100W 2.1 by 1.6 by 1.3 inches, 6.9 by 5.7 by 5 centimeters. Weight, 65W 6.9 ounces, 195 g. Weight, 100W 9.9 ounces, 280 g. Ports, 65W 1X USB-C cable, 60W PD 3.0, 1X USB-C, 65W, and 1X USB-A, 22.5W. Ports, 100W 2X USB-C, 100W PD 3.0, 1X USB-C, 30W, and 1X USB-A, 22.5W. Total power output, 65W and 100W. Colors, gray. Best for, 65W MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Pro. Best for, 100W 14-inch MacBook Pro.